Here's a heartwarming story about family-friendly recipes that kids will love. Once upon a time, in a cozy house filled with laughter and warmth, there was a family who adored spending time in the kitchen together. Every weekend, the family gathered in their little kitchen, where the countertops were just the right height for little ones to reach, and the shelves were stacked with colorful ingredients and spices. One Saturday morning, the family decided to make their favorite breakfast, pancakes. But this time, the children wanted to try something new. Instead of the usual round pancakes, they wanted to make pancake animals. The little ones got to work, with one child carefully placing blueberries for eyes and another arranging slices of banana for ears. Before they knew it, they had a whole zoo of pancake animals. The kitchen was filled with laughter, as each child showed off their creation, proud as could be. As the years went by, the family kitchen became a magical place of creativity and learning. On cold winter nights, they made homemade pizzas, each child designing their own with toppings shaped like stars, hearts, and swirls. In the spring, they baked cupcakes decorated like gardens, with flowers made of icing and candy butterflies perched on top. The children learned more than just cooking. They learned patience, taking turns, and how to laugh at little mistakes. Sometimes a recipe didn't turn out quite right, like the time they added too much salt to a batch of cookies. Instead of getting upset, they laughed, shrugged, and called it a kitchen experiment. Those cookies were a little salty, but they ate them anyway, remembering that it's not always about perfection. As the children grew older, the family continued their kitchen traditions. They tried new, more challenging recipes together, like homemade pasta and vegetable stir-fry. They learned to appreciate each ingredient and to find joy in the process. The kids were no longer just watching from the sidelines. They had become skilled little chefs, each with a unique style and favorite recipe. Now, this family shares their favorite recipes with others, hoping that each one brings as much laughter, learning, and love as it has for them. Their kitchen has seen a lot of messy hands, burnt edges, and sticky counters, but it's also where some of their best memories were made. They invite you to join in, create, and let the kitchen become a place of happiness and connection for you too. So grab your aprons, gather the kids, and dive into the fun. Remember, it's not about making everything perfect. It's about making memories that last forever. This story is a heartfelt way to introduce your collection of family-friendly recipes, inviting families everywhere to create a little magic in their own kitchens.